Thank you very much for joining us today for Workforce Flathead Opportunity Fair. Today we have Michelle with St. Luke Community Healthcare to talk to us about some of the job opportunities that they have, as well as give us a little bit of information about St. Luke. As a reminder to our viewers, if you have any questions for Michelle, please submit those using the Q&A function on Zoom at the bottom of the screen, and we will get to those at the end of the presentation if there's time. And we are recording this panel, so if you miss anything or have to duck out early, you can always come back and watch it again on Job Service Kalispell's YouTube channel, as well as at workforceflathead.com. Michelle, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Do you want to tell us a little bit about what it is you do at St. Luke and give us kind of an overview of St. Luke?
Well, my name is Michelle, and I will be your tour guide today. I recently joined the St. Luke team this past July. I have worked in the medical field for well over 15 years and recently transferred full-time into the human resources and career recruiting. It's been my niche, basically. So far, working at St. Luke's has been extremely rewarding and fulfilling. I get to develop my talents every day. It's an amazing place to work. So,
awesome.
To give you a bit of background information, St. Luke was established in 1953. We are community owned and operated with a board of directors made up of local community members. We have a 25-bed hospital centrally located in Ronan with our ER staff 24/7 by board certified physicians and a 75-bed extended care facility adjoining the hospital. We also have community clinics located throughout the valley with 2 in Polson, 1 in Ronan, 1 in St. Ignatius, and a convenient care in the hospital. We also have a number of visiting specialists who rotate through our hospital and clinics, allowing patients to experience specialized care right here close to home. So people don't have to drive to get to us. You know, they don't have to go to the big cities to get the care. St. Luke currently employs 425 people whose mission is to support your health. Our annual payroll contributes a significant economic benefit to the community each year, and we are the largest private employer in Lake County, as well as the largest provider of healthcare services. Here you can see a bit more detailed breakdown of our services. This is also provided on our website at stlukehealthcare.org. We offer complete obstetrical care through our New Beginnings Birth Center in Ronan. Cardiopulmonary houses our oxygen and DME program, along with a range of services from cardiac rehab to sleep studies. We have a full spectrum of surgical services as well. Our imaging department houses our 3D mammography machine along with 3D, 4D ultrasound. Our visiting specialists mentioned earlier include cardiology, psychiatry, neurology, pulmonology, and sleep medicine. As this offering continues to expand, St. Luke patients can expect more and more comprehensive services without the drive to a larger town, as mentioned earlier. Our lab offers a complete range of testing, many available on demand without a doctor's order. COVID-19 antibody testing has been a popular service during the pandemic. Our PT department has remained open to patients although the fitness center is currently closed to the public. We have 2 PT offices, one at the hospital here in Ronan and one at our Ridgewater Clinic in Polson. Our speech, hearing, and occupational therapies offer a wide array of services related to those healthcare needs, including hearing tests and hearing aid support. Again, you can find more info on all of these departments and services on our website, so feel free to go and explore that in your free time. St. Luke's takes fun so seriously. We even have a fun committee, activities committee. We have a number of events throughout the year to bring an aspect of fun to the work we do. This also includes a family movie and bowling day, which was super fun. Hospital week, which is coming up here in May. Barbecues, parade floats, cook-offs, participating in community events, food drives, and parties. We believe that staff do their best work when they can also find time to have fun and be themselves. Professionalism has a personal side too. At St. Luke, our workplace culture is built around the 5 pillars of excellence, found in the book Hardwiring Excellence by Quint Studer, focusing on the 5 pillars of quality, service, finance, people, and growth. These pillars serve as the background for all our meetings, business decisions, and even employee evaluations, offering a clear and consistent compass for staff to use in their daily activities. Also, a side note, if you read the book before interviewing, you are most likely guaranteed some serious brownie points. We don't have much time to delve into each one, but a full summary of employee benefits can be found on our website under careers. Here you can see the benefits we currently offer employees. I will just note that some benefits vary between positions depending on your hours, role, and certifications. Benefits include earned time bank with time off, retirement with an automatic 4% employer contribution of your base wage. Employees can defer as much as they'd like within the plan parameters, but St. Luke's portion is automatic. It's a nice perk. We offer life insurance, health insurance, an employee assistance program, a student loan repayment. Optional benefits include vision, dental, short-term disability, flex, a health and fitness benefit. You can use as an employee the PT as a workout facility. It's been open for employees the whole time during the pandemic. And free annual blood work on your work anniversary. And if you have any questions about these benefits, please visit our website or call me at 406-528-5287 to chat more with me about that. So why should you, as a job seeker, choose St. Luke? Here are a few things to keep in mind. As I mentioned earlier, we are community owned and managed locally. This means that all decisions are made right here with the intent to benefit the community. If you look at the longevity of our staff, a number of them have been here for 15 plus years, with 34% of our employees being with St. Luke over 10 years. That kind of longevity demonstrates stability as well as a proven positive track record. St. Luke completes an employee engagement survey annually to solicit feedback on what's going well and what could be improved on. The work culture at St. Luke is employee-oriented, with company-wide recognition shown through programs like our High Fives and Employee of the Quarter. Appreciation is ongoing between events, gifts, benefits, our peak bonus program, which rewards those staff who take extra shifts during our peak vacation seasons, usually summer and the holidays. The atmosphere is warm and friendly, and our affordable cafeteria is a surprising draw. Imagine not having to pack your lunch every day. St. Luke has demonstrated stability in a very uncertain time. We have not had any involuntary layoffs or reduction in pay or benefits during the COVID pandemic. As a long-standing employer, we are in a stable position to offer reliable employment to our community members. With that stability, We are also still growing. St. Luke has a number of growing and expanding departments. We are hiring throughout multiple locations and facilities, and we're expanding services and hours. We aspire to continue to be a large employer with a small business mindset. Our team genuinely feels like a big family. We have a supportive culture where staff rally together to support each other whenever needed. This can include ETV donations and covering shifts to help out. Work-life balance is important to employees, and St. Luke recognizes that. Most important, recently, we responded to the need for remote work options in some departments. As you can see, we have a variety of positions open and waiting for you to apply. Right now, those include nurses, RNs, LPNs in both the hospital and our extended care facility. We are also seeking certified medical assistants for our clinics, an LCSW, health information clerk, a CLS, a PRN respiratory therapist, a lab assistant, housekeeper, general maintenance worker, dietary aides, cooks, business office clerks, and CNAs in our extended care. A note on the CNA position for the extended care: we'll train you, and we're offering a $1,000 sign-on bonus with a 1-year work commitment. We also have a brand new opening for a clinic's nurse supervisor. A number of these jobs do not require any education or training beyond a high school diploma. We are ready and willing to train the right candidates. You can learn all about these positions on our website at stlukehealthcare.org under careers/open or -open positions. Your applications will remain open for 12 months. So please stay in touch with Human Resources at 528-5287. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing all that with us. Definitely looks like a great place to work.
It's amazing. It really is an amazing place to work. I've never been happier, actually.
That's always a good sign. We got time for a couple of questions, if you don't mind. One of them is, in terms of the growth, do you see expanding to new locations, or is it more you've got the location set and it's just growing the size of those locations and the offerings?
It's more we have the location set and we're expanding.
Okay.
We're expanding our services that we're offering in each location. Each location, our St. Ignatius clinics and our Ridgewater clinics they have ultrasound machines and ultrasound techs and everything. So if you break a leg in St. Ignatius, you can get an x-ray there. You don't have to travel to go get an x-ray.
Yeah, I know, that's awesome. In terms of, I've got a question. So the student loan repayment is an option. Is there any scholarship options for current employees?
As of right now, I don't believe there are. I do believe there's opportunities for those. That's something that I am not 100% on, so I would have to check and get back on that one.
Okay, so if you have that question, you can just contact Michelle at the HR department. She can follow up on that for you. What are you most excited for, Michelle, in terms of over the next couple of years, the growth and the development of St. Luke and sort of the direction that it's going?
Gosh, that for me is so hard because I'm so new and learning everything that I'm seeing and everything. To be honest, the job opportunities, there's room. Something I've noticed is once you start working at St. Luke's, there's room for advancement. You don't have to stay in the same position forever, and you can learn new things, and you can we have CNAs that were taking nursing classes at the college in Pablo, sorry, and now they're nurses. And so it's so exciting to see people just starting at the entry level and being able to move up the ladder and expand themselves. And that's exciting for me. You
Yeah.
don't have, you're not stuck in one position for the rest of your life here.
Mm-hmm. And the ability to not have to move away from such a beautiful place to go.
Exactly. You don't have to move.
That's awesome. Well, that's kind of all the time we have for today, but thank you so much for joining us and talking to us about St. Luke and the job opportunities. Again, for the people watching, the information is on the screen to either apply or to contact HR with any questions that you have.
Yes, please do. Thank you so much for your time.
Awesome. Thank you, Michelle. I appreciate it. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.